Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Riverstone Reserve Model 3950 FWK. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the Riverstone Reserve 3950 FWK, which is an awesome front kitchen. This is a very cool mid-price point luxury fifth wheel, okay? The Riverstone is Forest River's top of the line brand, but this is the Reserve Edition, which does give you some features a little less than the Riverstone or the Riverstone Legacy. Current Rotoflex pin box there, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, really nice storage in the rear, and it's giving you H-rated tires. If you come on in on the inside, do a 360 to the left for us, sir. Very, very nice living room area. But this is what this unit's all about. The FK. Front kitchen up here is awesome. You got plenty of space, refrigerator, nice countertops, both sides, tons of storage and everything. Right over here is where your dinette is. It's bar style, booth style, and you're looking overhead into the living room area. Living room has theater seats right here and a pull-out sofa right here. Tons of storage with a huge 66-inch TV and a fireplace. Let's say you want to work from home. Again, home is where you take it, work is where you take it. This unit, excuse me, is $141. Our partner at Midstate RV has it discounted to $114,620, but you guys always know we can save you a little bit more money if you tell them you watch the show. Right here we have one of the biggest bathrooms and one of the tallest showers that I've ever seen in an RV like this. And then to wrap it all up in the master bedroom, we got the king size bed, plenty of storage, prep for a stackable washer dryer. This is awesome. This isn't as nice as the Riverstone or the Riverstone Legacy, but to get a Riverstone and to save a little bit of money might be the best of both worlds for you. Great, but that's the Riverstone. If you guys are interested in seeing more of this unit, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you. Thanks guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.